Hello, my name is Vedant. I am a legal intern with Lexis and Company. Before starting off the video, I would like to say that please like and share the videos and subscribe to the YouTube channel of Lexis and Company. There is a small disclaimer as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India that this videos does not promote or advertise anything about the company, and these videos are only for educational purposes and nothing else for the audiences. So today's topic of the video is the Hague Evidence Convention and India. So the Hague Convention of 18th March 1970 of taking of evidence abroad in civil and commercial matters, which is known as the Convention, and Order 26 Rule 19 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908 governs the field for obtaining evidence of a witness residing in India on the basis of a request received from a foreign court. The High Court under Order 26 Rule 19 of the Civil Procedure Code may issue a commission to examine witnesses on the basis of a request received from a foreign court. Recently, a conflicting judicial decision on the exercise of powers by the High Court under Rule 26 Order 19 has affected the implementation of the convention in India. The convention was enacted to assist signatory countries to obtain evidence located in foreign countries. The convention provides for three methods of taking evidence abroad. First, submission of letter of request. Second, inquiries by diplomatic officers and consular agents. And third, inquiries by specially appointed commissioners. Letter of request is the principal method of taking evidence abroad. India joined and became a party to the convention in 2007. Chapter 1 of the convention deals with the letters of request. Article 3 is very important as it states what a letter of request shall specify. Clause D of Article 3 states that a letter of request shall specify the evidence to be obtained or other judicial acts to be performed. Clause G states that a letter of request, where appropriate, shall specify the documents or other property, real or personal, to be inspected. Article 9 permits a judicial authority that executes a letter of request to apply its own municipal laws. In India, the enabling power to execute a letter of request issued by a foreign court under Order 26 Rule 19 to 20 read with Section 78 of CPC. Article 23 provides that a contracting state may at the time of signature, ratification or accession declare that it will not execute a letter of request issued for the purpose of obtaining pre-trial discovery of documents as known in common law countries. India in its declaration stated that the Republic of India will not execute letters of request issued in pursuance of Article 23 of the Convention for the purpose of obtaining pre-trial discovery of documents, which requires a person to produce any documents other than particular documents specified in the letter of request which are likely to be in his possession, custody or power. So what does the interpretation and analysis of the law says? When evidence of a witness residing in India has to be taken in a civil proceeding pending before a foreign court, a commission is issued by the High Court Order 26 Rule 19 read with Section 78 of CPC. If the ingredients of Rule 19 are fulfilled, the High Court will issue a commission for the purpose of obtaining evidence or testimony of a witness in accordance with the letter of request issued by a foreign court. Usually, a miscellaneous civil application is preferred by a party to the proceeding who wants to obtain evidence of a witness in India. Under Rule 19 on a perusal of application, if the High Court finds that a foreign court situated in a foreign country wishes to obtain the evidence of a witness in any proceeding before it, that the proceeding is of a civil nature and the witness is residing within the local jurisdiction of the High Court, it must issue a commission in furtherance of and to execute the letter of request. The court will not go into the propriety of the letter of request or the questions of relevance of admissibility of evidence, which is an exclusive prerogative of the foreign court which has issued the letter of request. So this was about the Hague evidence and the letter and the with respect to Indian Civil Procedure Code. And in this part of the video we have understood how a foreign court can obtain a evidence from a person residing in India who has a custody of power of the documents or any other material. In next video we will further discuss what does this mean. Can a court request for inspection of a property by foreign court be granted under Indian law or not? Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe the video and subscribe to like and share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel of Access and Company.